So here's a little trick. We're out of credits, so this is going to take longer. But here's the thing. If you wait like 30-ish seconds and then just click the clock button, it almost always renders, like every single time. So you can get images out relatively quick even without any credits. Yeah, see? Here we go. Hey guys, Sonic here. Today we've got some Sonic chili dogs and onion rings. We're gonna eat about 5,000 calories in one go. Let's go. He would go to Sonic's. That's the thing. He would go to Sonic's, get a Sonic brand. Oh, I like the lights here, but they're wrong. They're from behind. They should be like. Why is he in like some weird ass like storage basement? That adds like an extra creepy factor. Hey guys! Oh god, he has 2 mouths. I don't even want to. This one he's like unsure about it. I don't know, guys. Should I eat all this garbage? I got my Coca-Cola and my sweet tea to wash it down, but I don't know. I think this will lead down a really rough path. Let's okay. This is the first ever mukbang, okay? This is the first one. In the image, an obese Sonic the Hedgehog sits comfortably before a camera. His round belly protruding over the table, cluttered with an array of fast food. With eager anticipation, he grasps a towering stack of chili dogs, his expression gleeful as he prepares to devour them. The YouTube logo shines in the background, making the start of a gluttonous, indulgent mukbang session with the iconic blue speedster. Let's see what magic Bing can do for us. Let's bring this new gift into the universe. Hey guys, Sonic Mukbang episode 485. I just went to Sonic's. I asked them to give me every single chili dog they had. It cost me $397. We got it. I don't like that. He's got the wild eyes here. I kind of like this one. But, I like this one, but I feel like he's not haggard enough. See what it does here. I mean, it got the haggard part a little better, but he still looks really happy. God. This is really sad. Yeah, see, he doesn't mind. He's eating chili dog burgers. This one. This is the one. Plus, okay. I think the nipples are a mistake, like the extra nipples here, but considering he's a hedgehog, he probably would have like 6 nipples. So this is good. I'm gonna save this one. Okay, hold on. Let me see if we could do this one in a cartoon art style. Oh, we need to take off his gleeful expression. I've seen Nick make this exact face. I like that. It's your fault. It's your fault I have to eat all this food. He looks happy in this one. Oh god, he's getting fatter. Oh no! He hates his life here. I'm gonna go with this one though, just because he looks more like Nikocado-ish. Open a new tab. Yeah, we're gonna save that one. Okay, let's just make Sonic Nick Avocado. That'll be fun. In the striking image, a morbidly obese Sonic the Hedgehog looms over a shattered bathroom scale, his eyes narrowed with anger. With a fierce grip on a heavy hammer, he smashes down with force, shattering the glass and metal beneath him. Cracks spiderweb outwards, mirroring the frustration etched across his face, embodying a powerful rejection of society's weight standards. and the pressure to conform. This one is very Nick. See, it's just putting like cracked glass on the screen. Oh god, he cracked the one on his stomach. This one's more like impressionist. Oh man. I think this is the best one we're gonna get, so I'm gonna go with this one. It's vaguely sinister. I like that though. That's good. Alright guys, I thought of a good one. In the poignant image, an obese Sonic the Hedgehog sits before the camera surrounded by a spread of fast food. Tears streaming down his face, his cheeks flushed with emotion, Sonic attempts to film a mukbang video, but this sadness is palpable. Meanwhile, a fat Knucklesy Echidna with a smirk on his face callously throws a chili dog at Sonic, adding insult to injury in this moment of vulnerability. Okay, I like that. Okay. Knuckles looks really creepy in this one. Why is Knux just... That first one. This one captures the emotion perfectly. Let's just take in his suffering real quick. I feel like this is better than what I wanted. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's make it like ultra depressing. In the solemn image, Sonic the Hedgehog sits in a doctor's office, his vibrant blue fur dulled by the weight of the news. His ears droop, as his usually bright eyes are clouded with concern as the doctor delivers the diabetes diagnosis. Sonic's hands clench the edge of the chair tightly, his entire demeanor reflective of the gravity of the situation, marking a pivotal moment in his life. What? No, he has to be fat. No, you fucked up. Bing. Oh, I didn't put obese. Okay. Oh my god! Bro, this looks like a guy wearing a Sonic costume. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm afraid you're too large to wear the costume. What? What? Because the expression is so like frozen in a smile. Oh no! This is more what I was going for. This is Sonic getting bad news. Oh no! Oh, poor guy. This is like... Hold on. Let's look at the Sonic timeline, okay? Okay. First mukbang ever. Okay? 100th mukbang. Him declaring he's going to go on a weight loss journey and blaming the viewers for getting him so fat. Him promptly giving up on his weight loss journey and smashing the scale. Him constantly getting in fights and realizing he's slowly killing himself. And this is when he gets the news.